Hello everyone. So in this question it is given that we have to find the value of x square plus y square, and the question is given as x plus y plus xy is equal to 56. So what we will do, you will write the value as x plus y plus xy, that is equal to 56. I can add 1 on both sides. Once I will add 1 on both sides, I will get the value as x plus y plus xy plus 1, that is equal to 57. Now I can arrange this value. On arrangement you will get the value as x plus xy, that is, and here you will get y plus 1, that is equal to 57. Now if I will take the common value, that x, you will get the value as 1 plus y, and here if you will take 1 common, you will get the value as y plus 1, that is equal to 57. Now here you will get x plus 1 and here you will get y plus 1, which is getting multiplied, and that is equal to 57. Now what you can observe from here, you can write the value as this, that is equal to 57. I can write this 57 as 19 multiplied with 3. I can write the same thing as minus 19 multiplied with minus of 3. I can write the same thing as arrangement, that is 3 multiplied with 90, and at last you can write the value as minus 3 multiplied with minus of 90. Okay, and here you will get the value as x plus 1 multiplied with y plus 1, which is getting repeated, x plus 1 and y plus 1, and at last you will write the same thing as x plus 1 y plus 1. Now if you will compare on both sides, you will get the first value as x plus 1, that is equal to 19, and you will get the value of y plus 1, that is equal to 3. You will get the value of x plus 1, that is equal to minus of 19, and you will get the value of y plus 1, that is equal to minus of 3. So we have to take all the possible values that is coming from x plus 1 and y plus 1. So here you will get the value as x plus 1, that is equal to 3, and y plus 1 you will get the value as 19. Again at last you will write x plus 1, that is equal to minus of 3, and y plus 1, that is equal to minus of 19. Once you will solve this value, you will get the value of x, that is equal to 18. Here you will get the value of x, that is equal to minus of 20. Here you will get the value of x, that is equal to 2, and at last you will get the value of x, that is equal to minus of 4. And here you will get the value of y, that is equal to 2, y is equal to minus of 2, y is equal to 18, and y is equal to, you will get minus of 20. If you can observe, minus 4, if I will do the minus 4 square, you will get the value of 16, and minus 20 square you will get the value as 400, which means that for this value and the next one, that is, okay, here you will get minus 4. For this value you will get the same thing. Similarly for this one and for this one you will get the same thing. So you will get two unique values. First one is x square plus y square, that is equal to, we will get the first value as minus, okay, I will get the first value as minus 4 to the whole square plus minus 20 to the whole square. You will get it as 4 square is equal to 16, 20 square is equal to 400, and the value is 416. Next value you are getting x square plus y square, that is equal to x square. You will get the value as 18 square, and y square you will get the value as 2 square. Okay, so 18 square you already know, 18 square you can solve 18 square ki value, and 2 square is equal to 4. Once you will do the squaring of these value, you will get the same thing. What is the value for 18 square? For that we have to know about one most important and basic one, how to multiply two numbers that is greater than 10. So here you will write 18 and here you will write 18. You can write it as 8 and 8. Do the cross addition. 18 plus 8, that is equal to 26. Okay, and 8 8s are 64. You will get this value. Once firstly you have to write 4. The extra value that you can see is 6 will get added with 26. You will get it as 324. So 18 square is equal to 324 and 2 square is equal to 4. You will get it as 328. So there are two values that you are getting. First one is 416 and second value is 328. Hope you have understood this question. For such kind of question, you can follow my channel and you will get some insightful from all of these kind of questions.